Teens can assist with lawn mowing, gardening, or landscaping tasks for homeowners or local landscaping companies. This is a great way to learn to own your very own business. If you don't have a mower, do you know someone willing to rent one to you? Do you enjoy planting, watering, and maintaining gardens, lawns, and landscapes? Operating equipment, such as lawn mowers, trimmers, and leaf blowers. Removing debris and performing general cleanup of outdoor spaces, and following safety protocols and guidelines to ensure a safe working environment. While skills can be beneficial for a landscaper/gardener, they are not always required, especially for entry-level positions. Many landscaping companies are willing to train individuals with the willingness to learn. The amount you can earn as a landscaper/gardener can vary depending on factors such as your location, the landscaping company, and experience. Entry-level landscaping/gardening can expect to earn an hourly wage with the potential for higher pay as you gain experience and take on more responsibilities. Some landscaping companies may offer opportunities for overtime pay during peak seasons like spring and summer.